Hey, chicken. You want french fry? Oh! Oh, he missed a little bit. Oh, jeez. Let's see. He wants another one. Oh, jeez. He loves french fries. That's the funniest thing. No, Juliet. No, stay away. Stay away. Okay. Oh, he jumped for another one. Oh, that's cool. Okay, seems like he loves it. Juliet, no. I'll give you a french fry in a minute. Okay, here. I'm not sure if this is okay for a chicken, but let's see. I'll just give him one more. Do you like greasy foods? Chicken! Oh! That's cool. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see if he jumps high. Like this high. Come, chicken! Here. Here. Let's see if he jumps for it. There, a little bit lower. Oh, jeez. He jumped for it. Okay, that was it, and bye.